everyone, my name's Tara. Today I have a 10-minute yoga flow for stress relief for you guys. It's pretty friendly for all levels and you don't need any props, so go ahead and get onto your mat and we'll get started. Go ahead and sit in easy pose, a cross-leg position to start today's practice. If you need to prop your hips up on a block or put a cushion under your hips, you can do so. So go ahead and place your hands on your thighs, palms facing down. Roll your shoulders back and then let them go, releasing any tension here so your shoulders drop away from your ears. Sit up nice and tall and then close down your eyes and just start to tune into your breath. So we're going to work with a 3-part breath here. And just to note, you should not feel like you're straining at all with this breath. The breath should feel comfortable. So as you inhale, allow the belly to fill with air, then allow the ribs to expand out, then allow the chest to expand, and as you exhale, let the chest fall first, then the ribs come in, and then the belly falls in. Again, inhale, belly fills with air, ribs expand, chest expands, exhale, chest falls, ribs fall, and belly falls. Inhale, fill the belly with air, fill the ribs, fill the chest. Exhale, release the chest, release the ribs, release the belly. Keep going like this at your own pace, trying to separate the 3 parts of the breath the best you can. Connecting with the breath is a wonderful way to allow us to recenter and stay in the present moment. In this breath, breathing in this way, the 3 parts really shows us how much control we do have over our breathing, how much control we have over our body. Keep going. With this breath, think about how you're really taking control over your whole entire state of being. Do one more 3-part breath. And after you finish, just come back to your comfortable breathing pattern. Steady inhales and exhales through the nose. Go ahead and open your eyes, and you can move to all 4s, hands and knees for cat-cow. So make sure your hands are stacked under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Knees are hip-width apart. Drop the belly down for cow, look up. And then arch through the upper back for cat. Moving with the breath, inhale for cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Letting go of any tension in the spine. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Allowing the energy to start flowing. Inhale back to neutral. Come back to your comfortable breath. We're going to do a fluid cat-cow. So you can really move in any direction you want. If you want to take circles, you're going to arch back into cat, moving around, dropping back down into cow, moving in one direction, making it fluid. If you're doing the circles, switch to the other direction. Allowing this fluid motion to let any tension melt away. Allowing your energies to start flowing freely. And come back to center, dropping to one more cow, looking up. And then sit back into child's pose, toes together, knees wide, hands go out in front, and relax your forehead on the earth for wide leg balasana. Breathe here. Really allow your forehead to relax into the earth. And let go Let go of any tension in the neck, in the hips, the glutes. Breathe here, connecting with the earth, feeling a sense of grounding. A few more breaths here. Keep your awareness on your breathing. One more breath. Go ahead and start to lift your head up, moving onto your stomach into Sphinx pose. Prop up onto your elbows. Allow the lower body to relax and maybe give your legs a little wiggle shake. Make sure they're relaxed and not holding any tension. And then press through your elbows, dropping your shoulders down away from your ears, looking forward. And think about, you're not actually moving your arms, but the motion you're thinking about is your elbows are pulling back toward your body to drag your chest forward and allow your heart to open. Breathe here. Holding Sphinx, turn your head to the left. And then turn your head to the right, opening through the neck. Turn the head left. Turn right. Go back to center. One more breath in Sphinx. And relax down, one hand on top of the other, and relax your forehead on your hands. Letting go, maybe give your legs a little shake, your hips a little shake. Let any tension melt away into the earth. From here, start to turn to make your way onto your back. Bend your knees, tuck under your shoulders to keep your chest open. Hold on to your inner ankles. So you're holding on to your inner ankles. You're allowing your knees to fall out to the side for a modified happy baby. This is a really relaxing way to do happy baby. And close your eyes, reconnect with your breath, letting go of any tension in the hips, the pelvis. Make sure to keep your entire spine in contact with the ground, so your head all the way down to your low back and sacrum should be in contact with the earth. A few more breaths here, relaxing into this pose. Start to release your grip on your ankles, place your legs down or your feet down on the earth. You can give your legs a little shake side to side if that feels good to you. And then straighten out your knees, relax your hands down, tuck under your shoulders again for Shavasana. Really letting go here, feeling your body in contact with the earth. Feeling how even just a little bit of movement, a little bit of reconnecting with your breath can help melt away any tension, can help melt away stress and keep you in the present moment. Keep the breath steady in and out through the nose. Take a few moments here. And to bring your awareness back to the physical body, wiggle your fingers and toes, roll your wrists and ankles, stretch the arms overhead, bend your knees, roll onto one side, keeping your bottom arm straight out to rest your head on that arm. Use your hands to walk yourself up into a sitting position, back into easy pose, Sukhasana. Hands in prayer at your heart. Take one nice breath together. Inhale, fill your belly with air. Exhale, let it go. Come back to your comfortable breath. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you guys for practicing with me today. I hope your stress level has gone down a little bit since this practice. Really, I find personally nothing helps decrease stress better than yoga, at least for me personally. And there's so much more to yoga than just practicing vinyasa or a flow like today. So if you would like to know more, I highly suggest you sign up for my free 7-day yoga experience. In these 7 days, you get a different aspect of yoga each day to see what resonates with you and what you're drawn to in the yoga practice. But that's all for today, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right below me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.